Welcome back to the workshop. After finishing the pegboard cabinet, I started working on puzzle box 10 and then we did some travel, and now I'm getting ready to start working on puzzle cabinet 4. Puzzle cabinet 4 has a lot of different parts and pieces that are going to be done as part of making it. I'm going to be doing some carving, maybe making some miniatures, trying some different things out. Something that has been sort of an inspiration for this is something that I saw at the Biltmore Estate over a long time ago, 2003. This is a guidebook from 2003. And inside, we have a picture of the oak drawing room, or oak room, and I'm talking about specifically this piece right here. This is a very elaborate cabinet on turned legs or carved legs, and it's not the legs I'm looking at, but the piece itself. Now, what I'm making will not be as ornate, but it's what's going on in the middle. In the middle, there's sort of this classical architectural scene, a little bit of painting, some carved items. That's kind of what I'm thinking of. Not exactly this, but something similar. And then 2 doors. I think my piece will be a little different, but it's certainly a nice piece to look at. Going to the museum, during our travels, we went to the National Museum of Toys and Miniatures. Here's some pictures from that of some very small pieces, very detailed, using marquetry, using carving. I'm not saying I'm trying to replicate any of that, but it's all very creative thoughts that are inspiring me into this new piece. If you remember this from the Hidden Dovetails videos, this is the carcass that will become puzzle cabinet 4. My idea is having possibly 2 exterior doors here that would open up. You'd have an area over here of drawers for holding pocket knives, that sort of thing. A middle section, possibly with this architectural scene, possibly with access to something in the back that will pull out, or to hidden compartments. And then on the right will be a door or something within the other door that will lead to a vignette using possibly glass, some miniatures, and even possibly a light. And that's the idea for that. Then at the top, I'm going to use like a marble system where you enter a marble that might go down into the back and do something mechanical. So remember, I had done some mechanical stuff before and I needed to return to that. So those are some of the ideas for Puzzle Cabinet 4. It'll take time to practice the carving, practice some of the little details, and but I'll give you some updates on it as time goes by. So stay tuned.